The second point I would like you to see is the fruits. Today we celebrate the feast of one saint called William of Monte. He was born in Italy in 1069 or something like that, in that period. And he died at 57 years of age, so in the next year, next century. He was an orphan when he was just a little baby. So his relatives brought him up and he made a pilgrimage which consists of nearly 5 years to walk from Italy right up till Spain, a very famous shrine called Santiago de Compostela. So the shrine of Saint James. And when he walked there and came back, he started a monastery. And it was very strict monastery. So many of them complained and they said, it's too strict. So he says, he appointed another one among them who was saying these things and made him prior. And he went away and he went to Naples. And there, the king was very gracious to him. He gave him a place and he funded his monastery. But there were many people who were jealous that the king had been so generous to him. So one day, what they did was, they got a very wicked, sinful woman and sent her to him so that she wouldn't seduce him. But she came back completely repentant and transformed. Look at what happened. She had been sent by them to destroy him, but instead her sins were destroyed. So you can see the fruits, can understand what it means. He was a holy man and God dwelt in him, and God's Spirit led him to say the right kind of things by which she was able to see clearly and to respond accurately, leaving her old ways and adopting the real way of God who dwells in her heart. So you can see the fruits